Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi. It is the Cousin A5 size for 2022. We are planning the week of April 25th to May 1st. Crazy. This week is like, I knew this year would go fast. I just didn't know it would go this fast. So anyways, I have like a whole stash of books here of Happy Planner sticker books that I am going to try to use some of because I just want to be like intentional about using my books well. And there's lots of great stickers in here. So I don't really have a theme or anything like that. I just thought I'd start kind of flipping through and seeing like the last few weeks I've been doing a lot of themes and such, and so this week I just thought it'd be fun to go with it. And I actually think I'm seeing some things I might want to try to use for my line, so let's see what we can do. If you've watched any of my past videos, you know that I love to put this like washi tape. Sometimes I just do a liner, but I don't schedule anything for past 8 or 9 at night that I need to write down. So I use this section for keeping track of business stats and things like that. In my personal Hobonichi, I use it for keeping track of the weather and barometric pressure because that is something that affects me. So I try to keep track of it so that I can have an idea. Just gonna count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I have a really long stick here. I'll show you here in a second. And I don't want to not. I know I don't need to use all of it. So I'm just gonna pull this in half and hopefully get it up without too much issue. That's always like the battle. And hopefully get it lined up so it doesn't look completely off. And then we'll cut it right here at the end of the page. And that's going to be my little bit off center. That's okay. Okay, now we're gonna flip through really quick. These are probably too big for what I need for right here, but I have others, so no big deal. I'll let you use some of those flowers in there later though. Let's see, this is from Sassy Plants. Oh boy, I don't know if you've ever looked at some of these quotes, but they're epic. But I don't think I'm gonna pull from that one for a quote right now. Gold Star quotes. I think we can find something from here. Own it. I like something. My favorite childhood memory was not paying bills. Yes. Okay. Can we all agree on that if you're an adult? Okay. I kind of need something smaller than these. Pinched today in the face. That's funny. I find it funny. Relax and recharge. Okay, not what I'm looking. Prove them wrong. Know your why. I love that. Knowing your why is so important, I think, in everything you do. Otherwise, why are you doing it? Okay. And then see if we can find one that is white in the back to cover up the calendar up at the top. So many great quotes in that book. I forget how many are in there. Okay, this is, I think I got this at Walmart. It's just like a value pack or whatever, but it's super fun. There's a lot of great stickers in it. I wonder if we could use some of these at the top. Maybe. They're probably a little long, but we'll just make it work. Let them overlap a little bit. I could cut them. Done that. Sometimes that works. sometimes I end up cutting them terribly crooked, and this works better. Start from this way. Let's see. Bring in a little more color on this side, I think. Okay. Just to add a little pop up there. And I'm just gonna see if I'm happy memory keeping. If I could find a couple of flowers to put on here. It's kind of big and they're attached. Those don't really seem like they fit. I'm not sure what the correct one is, but we'll see if we can find it. Maybe just make a cluster down here on a Sunday. My weekends definitely aren't like filled in as much down here, so unless for some reason I'm like really tracking something, so hopefully it won't be a no biggie to have these here. I'm gonna assume it won't be, and I guess if I need space I will make use of other space. Just make a pretty little cluster. Can't get this one off. There. Okay, the only thing I didn't do is put something up here, so let's see if we can find something for there. I'm guessing it won't be in that. Oh, let's look in the Choose Happy sticker book. These are mini, but they might have this. And generally here I put to-dos or important things, so this should work. Bring a little color too. And then, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for my week. It's pretty simple, but it gives me a lot of space to fill in, which is good. And we're already starting May, which is crazy. So thanks for watching this video, you guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you here again next time. Have a great day, and we'll see you again.